Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play the Dead by Daylight theme on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is perfectly in tune to standard EG. A well-tuned instrument is crucial for a good sound. Next, select a clean or slightly overdriven tone on your amplifier to capture the eerie atmosphere. Finally, listen closely to the original theme to internalize its unique rhythm and feel before you begin playing. This preparation will set you up for success. Let's begin with the first part of the main melody. Start by focusing on your low E string. You will play the open E string, followed by the note at the 3rd fret, and then the note at the 5th fret. Repeat this sequence. Concentrate on clear articulation for each note. Practice this section at a very slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, to ensure every note rings out cleanly and precisely before increasing your speed. Now, let's move to the second part of the theme. This section transitions to the A and D strings, introducing higher notes that complement the low E string riff. Try adding a subtle vibrato to any sustained notes. This will enhance the eerie, unsettling atmosphere of the piece. Focus on making the switch between the first and second part seamless. Smooth transitions are key to making the entire melody flow naturally and sound cohesive. To truly master the Dead by Daylight theme, consistent practice is essential. Always use a metronome to develop rock-solid timing and rhythm. Continuously listen to the original soundtrack. This helps you internalize the nuances and emotional depth of the piece. Begin practicing at a slow, comfortable pace and only gradually increase your speed as your fingers become more accustomed to the movements. Patience and repetition are your best friends here.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.